Hey, gay ass. Wanna smash? Wanna smash, gay ass? Yeah. Tú, yo tomo un pito. Wait. She said she's going to get smashed. Is it too late to apologize? Is it too late? I accidentally netted on you, sir.
On the shirt?
No, I don't know where it hit. I just want to do this little taco. Ni pito. Smash Bros. Smash Bros? Turco? Con qué? Oh, okay. ¿Tú gay?
¿Qué?
¿Tú gay?
Are you stupid?
Huh?
You asking him if he's gay?
Nah, I asked him if he's gay.
Fuck out of here, bro.
What you mean?
Tú ser gay.
No, I'm not gay.
Tú ser gay.
No, he's gay.
Huh?
Is he gay?
No.
No, bro.
You're not gay?
No. Tú ser gay.
Alright, bro. I was just asking if he was happy. That's what. Yeah, so, fuck. I guess that's a great start to Walmart. What the fuck? Anyways, guys, today, coming here as a nerd. I used to get bullied as a kid in middle school for, being black, short, and, a nerd. And I have pictures right here. So, yeah, grew up to be able to defend myself with my boxing skills. So,
Look at the guy up there working.
what the fuck? That's EDP's cousin. Juan EDP. Stupid ass. I'm trying to stand up for all the nerds that can't stand up for themselves. See if anybody wants to round in Smash Bros. Hey, bro, you want to play Smash Bros?
Nothing.
Why does nobody speak English here? What the fuck? Yeah, man, we're gonna see if any bully wants to step up to the challenge and fight the nerd, you feel me? So, yeah, I'll see you guys in there. Stay gay. Excuse me, sir. Are you a bully by any chance?
No, hell no.
Nah?
No,
Okay.
I found something safe.
This is kind of safe for me. Hey, bro, quick question. Are you gay? Yeah, bro, you kind of look like white boy M. You know what that is? For real? Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious right now? Hey, what's up, bro? How you doing? Good, bro? Yeah. Hey, what the hat stand
I
for?
don't even fucking know.
Me either, bro. Where you got that from a thrift store?
Hell no, I got it from Germany.
You kind of hefty, bro.
I'm not.
You think you can beat me up?
Hell no. Oh, bitch.
What the fuck? No, I ain't gonna lie. Me personally, I would never, claim myself to be a bitch. This is me, though.
In this day and age, I ain't want no trouble.
That's for sure, bro. Keep being a bitch. Hey, excuse me, gay ass. Hey, excuse me, gay ass.
You gay? I don't know.
Excuse me, gay ass.
No.
You speak English?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
Are you looking for the ringer?
Yeah.
Are you looking for the cock suspender? You sure you don't need any help finding a cock suspender? Alright, man. Hey, bro. I have a cock suspender, and I'm in need of you helping me find it. I don't know where it went. Bill Nye the Science Guy. What's up, bro?
Summer.
How you doing? My bad. I thought we were gonna do a little science experiment. Oh, you speak English?
I don't need it.
Would you like to challenge me in Super Smash Bros? Huh? Would you like to challenge me in Super Smash Bros? Bro. Huh? I like to use Kirby because you like to suck people up. Excuse me, man. I had got a D- on my math test, and now my teacher, she's gonna whip me with a golden dildo spatula. Huh?
School started.
Yeah, P. Diddy said it was in session. He bent me over the counter last time I got a D- and hit me with a dildo. Hey, what's up? I'm a nerd, and I just mean bro, what, bro? Bro, hear me out, I swear. Hear me out, bro.
Alright.
I'm a nerd, and I just need somebody to help me, get over my fear of being bullied, you know? And have you ever, bullied anybody in your life?
Nah. If anything, I was the one getting bullied.
Alright, bro, well, I'm putting on for you, bro. What did they do to you?
I was fat. They put me in
Swirly?
trash cans. Like, look.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
they used to give me back shots.
Oh, shit. Crazy looking.
Yeah, man. Fucked up story. Well,
Yeah.
alright, man.
But they still do. Oh, no.
We're not gonna talk about that.
Nah.
Sorry, gay ass. Excuse me, gay ass. Sorry. Hey, excuse me, sir. By any chance, would you happen to know where the barbecue, but this he is. Fuck, bro. Oh my god, man.
Hey, man.
So I'm ripping his hand because now I'm finna do a sneeze prank. Oh, I am sorry.
Yeah.
I sneezed. Diddy juice. I nutted on your back.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I nutted on your back. Sorry. Have a good day, my friend. Have a good day. Get a picture of his back.
Hey guys, Quantail Dingo here.
Oh, my bad, bro. I did not mean to sneeze on you, bro. My allergies been acting up.
But where the fuck do you put alcohol on me? This is like Joe.
Oh, that was semen on accident. It came on my nose. My nose semen. It smell like semen? Oh, my bad, bro. I'm just a nerd. Don't be mad at me. Don't hurt me, please. Don't hurt me. Okay, don't hurt me. You gonna hurt me? 1 inch Punisher. Oh my goodness. I apologize so much.
What are you talking about?
Oh my. I just nutted on you. I accidentally nutted on you, sir.
On my shirt?
Nah, I don't know where it hit. I accidentally sneezed on you. Do you want to like box it up?
Or just another?
You wanna box it up?
Trying to do something?
No, I'm just saying, if you had a problem, we can solve it, bro. I understand. I'm just a nerd and I know things happen, but I know, bro, it's crazy. Just like when I figured out Diddy stick his hand up my ass for the first time. When I found out Diddy stuck his hand up my ass for the first time, it was pretty crazy. I know. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. So what are we gonna do now, bro? Are we just gonna nerf it out, or are we gonna... Leave you alone? Why would I leave you alone? I love you. Can I give you a hug? Can I give you a hug, please? I'm sorry. I apologize. Is it too late to apologize? Is it too late? Oh. Fuck! Oh, shit. Oh, did I hit you with my nut? I apologize. My allergies been acting up.
It's alright, it's alright.
For sure, sir. Thank you. Hey, sir, if anybody asks, tell them tell them Sukal Bangkok sent you. All right, for sure. Thank you. Oh, fuck.
Bro.
Oh, sorry, bro. You are not my son. I accidentally sprayed my seed on you. You are not my son, bro. Fuck. I'm sorry, bro. I accidentally nutted on you. I apologize, man. Have a good day, man. Stay gay. Hey, excuse me, gay ass. I'm trying to solve an equation, 1 + 1. If you can help me solve it?
Okay.
Somebody once told me the world was gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. Excuse me, gay ass. I saw you and I just want to say you look like you need to be smashed.
Smack.
Smashed.
What do you mean?
Like boom, 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 smashed.
You ever been shot?
Huh?
You ever been shot?
With the anal bead.
Gun.
Oh, fuck. Oh, sorry, jackass. Sorry, guys. I just want to see, actually you. I want to see if you're going to get smashed.
Well, if you don't get the fuck about it. Alright, man, we cool, man. We cool.
So you're not trying to get smashed?
No.
Baby, oh, 'cause I don't know what's going on right here.
Are you sure you're not trying to get smashed, bro?
No,
I just want to smash him. Come smash me.
What is it?
Bro, what you talking? Bro, I'm just talking about Smash Bros, bro. Bro, I'm just talking about fucking Smash Bros, bro.
TikTok.
Bro, I'm just talking about Smash Bros. Yes, nigga, I'm talking about Smash Bros. What do you mean by that? I just want to smash him, actually.
About to hit. I don't know, man.
I'm gonna get hit. Or what? A 1, 2, 3 or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Which one? The Devin Haney or the Javante Davis uppercut? You sure you don't want to get smashed? You don't want to get smashed? Sir, we should talk. We talking about Smash Bros. Super Smash Bros, bro. You should hit my ass with a pinata stick. Knock the candy out my ass. Hey, gas. Want to smash? Want to smash, gas?
Yeah.
You want to smash?
Por very much.
Oh, fuck out of here. Puto malo, güey. ¿Qué te es, güey?
¿Qué, güey?
¿Qué?
Pues, ¿qué?
¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa? Pues tú.
¿Qué pe, güey?
Pedo, pues tú.
Yo estoy mi pito.
¿Cuál pito, güey?
Güey.
Ay, no me estés cagando la
Güey.
verga, madre.
I just want to do a loco taco.
Vienes a estar cagando la verga, güey.
Oh, no, güey. Smash Bros, güey. Smash Bros, güey. Mi pito.
¿Cuál pito, güey?
Mi pito, güey. Mi pito. Smash Bros. Smash Bros? Stay gay.
TikTok.
Yep, TikTok. Y'all
Yeah,
stay
TikTok.
gay. You eat tacos and stay gay.
Tacos gay.
Yes, sir. All right, man.
Hey, where you go, man?
I'm from Diddy Island. Excuse me, sir.
What?
I just wanted to ask if you wanted to smash.
Yeah, no.
You don't want to smash?
No.
All right, bro. Damn. Well, since you're so kind about it, bro. That's it, bro. You have a good rest of your day, bro.